live here at Bethany Lakes. It's a Friday, October 13, and yours truly got the BFS gear, Ultralight, Scorpion BFS XG, and the lightning rod, along with this little crawdad crankbait. I'm gonna put on a different lure. Getting clobbered too much here. Let's see what's in the bag of tricks. Rooster tail, little Ned rig, a beetle spin. Let's see. Oh, look at this. It's got a little Panther Martin. That's a nice one to play around with. I can fish it slow and at the same time maybe keep it out of the junk. Right here, little Panther Martin, 1/16 ounce. So I'm gonna work it slowly, just enough to keep the blade moving, and hopefully a little bluegill interested, or bass interested in it. Okay, and that's where I just was. Turtle just moved. Thought it was a bass, but no, it was a turtle. Okay. Oh, there's the hit. There's the hit. Up close. All right. Slow retrieve. Very slow retrieve. Okay, so that's the name of the game today. Steady retrieve. Not very fast, just enough to keep the blade moving. And then hang on maybe. Luckily I didn't strike out, so good news there. No strikeout today for yours truly on the Friday the 13th. Right. And we're over here at Bethany Lakes, City of Allen, doing a live stream, the GoPro mobile fishing live stream, where yours truly will host a live stream of, well, mistakes and all fishing. And so far it's been one bass on a oh, there it is, on a Panther Martin. Looks like it's going to be two fish, two bass on a Panther Martin. Nice. All right. Okay, so two bass on a Panther Martin, and maybe he was that one that we heard chasing something, maybe some bait fish nearby. All right, well, again, steady retrieve, but it's slow, just enough to really just keep the blade of the Panther Martin moving. Continue to work through this. I got my polarized glasses on, but I don't think I need them as much right now. Oh, there's the hit. There's the hit. That was it. Okay, it looks like it was a little blue galley. All right, well, that's a good idea. Or now I got an idea of what was happening. So they're coming up, kind of popping at it and whatnot. Slow, steady retrieve, 1/16 ounce. Okay, stick with that steady but slow retrieve, and I'm gonna stand off away from the bank because, oh, there's the hit. Oh yeah. What is this? Oh yeah, a little bit bigger, blue galley. That yellow-bodied one seemed to work really well on bluegill. Not to say that this one isn't. Seems to be. Oh, there's the hit. I saw the V-wake behind it. Oh yeah, I saw the little wake that came up right behind it, and he went for it. All right, so slow but steady. Keep the blade moving, and hold on when these guys hit the line, or hit the lure. Let's see if I can get something to strike here. Slow, steady blade. There's the hit. There's the hit. All right. Ah, Basilito. Bass want to play today too on the Panther Martin. Nice. Oh, someone's got their fly rod. Nice. Oh, you seen that? See, I told you it's shallow here, but there's some fish that'll be lurking nearby, and well, there was one right there. Even then, I don't think so. All right, there we go. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, there's a hit. He ran. He's running on it. Yeah. He ran on it. Looks like a bass. Maybe it was that bass that I saw jumping earlier. Okay, he ran on it. Nice. All right, let's just work our way to the left. To the left, to the left, to the left. to the left, to the left, to the left. All right, let's kind of work it over here. It's shallow. Let's see if something's lurking. Yeah, there was. Basically, little small guy lingering in the shallows. Oh, look at this guy, little fingerling. Oh yeah, oh yeah. He's a 7, 8, 10 grammer. Look at that guy. Nice. Panther Martin, rockin' ultralight. Alright, let's try this again. That was a close cast too. I just cast it over here in the shallows and he hit. Oh, there's another one. Did I just catch the same one? No, he's a little bit bigger. Alright. Hey, ultralight in the shallows. I'm gonna cast it out really quick and just see if I can tighten the line on the spool. Well, it's still loose. Holy cow. Come on, let's fix that. I don't like that. Okay, let's try this again. All right, come on, tighten up there. Tighten it up. Oh, there's a strike. Oh, shoot. Well, it's a good thing I he's taking out line. All right. Okay, he's coming in. Wonder what he could be. Looks like a basalito. All right, basalito. Let's go bring it over here. All right. All right, bear with me. Oh, he's a flopper. Oh, he got off the line. All right, not bad. All right, cool.